Welcome back to my channel, and for you out there who's new, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you stay with me until the end of this video, and I hope you guys are safe. Of course, most of us, or even a lot of us, are just staying at home dahil nga sa global crisis that we're facing right now. So, while at quarantine, I think this is the best time na rin for our skincare routine. Okay? So, that's gonna be the video that I will be sharing with you today, guys. Ano nga ba yung mga best skincare routine, best skincare product during quarantine? Okay. This is as per my opinion, my suggestion. It's up to you guys if you want to try this product kasi this product works for most who have tried that I've known, and it also works for me. Okay, I hope you guys na of course, even during quarantine, hindi naman dapat napabayaan natin yung sarili natin, especially this is the best time for skincare and rejuvenating. Okay, I have shared in my previous video about rejuvenating our skin. Diba, the time that we're doing rejuvenating, it is best na mas best siya na hindi tayo na-expose sa araw kasi 'di ba bawal maarawan kapag nagre-rejuvenating ka. So, for you guys dapat nakapag-rejuvenate na kayo, especially dun sa mga nasa Pinas na extended pa yung enhanced community quarantine. And since I'm staying here in the Maldives, nag-start pa lang yung lockdown. Actually, unfortunately for me, I'm not so lucky kasi hindi ako makakapag rejuvenating during this lockdown or during quarantine kasi wala akong stock ng rejuvenating product. But I suggest guys na for you na merong chance, okay, to start, or if you haven't started yet, to use this rejuvenating product. There's a lot of rejuvenating product in the market, like the one I have used. Okay, first the Hello Skin Blue rejuvenating set. That's by Misumi. And then the next one that I have tried is the RyxSkincerity starter kit, and another one is the Skin Magica rejuvenating set. Kung familiar kayo, of course, definitely kay Madam Kilay, right? Yun yung product na in-endorse niya. And then there's one more na I heard, but unfortunately I haven't tried yet, is yung Brilliant Skin rejuvenating set. Okay? Nagtatry sana ako noon, kaya lang for you guys who doesn't know, I'm actually an online seller, pero not so much active kasi whenever I go to Philippines, nagdadala lang ako ng product here in the Maldives, and I sell it dun sa mga of course for those Filipina who's working here in the Maldives, and I also have other Maldivian customers or client na nag-purchase din mga product, mga skincare product. Okay? And yun nga, naubusan ako nung rejuvenating set. So anyway, okay, balik tayo sa, as I've mentioned, regarding skincare routine and skincare product. One of the best skincare product. Okay, so if you have a sensitive skin, I suggest yung RyxSkincerity starter kit would be the best if you want to rejuvenate. That's best for sensitive skin. So kung hindi naman at gusto nyo talaga yung nagbabalat, kasi 'di ba? Normally, rejuvenating set talaga magbabalat yung ah, face nyo. Okay, so since stay at home tayo, so it's best kasi yung iba ayaw nila mag-try ng rejuvenating product kasi nga ayaw nilang syempre lalabas na nagbabalat yung mukha. Okay, and then so after rejuvenating your skin, normally it takes a month, and then after noon, so you'll have to switch to a maintenance product or maintenance set. And what are my suggested maintenance set that you can use? Meron bago. Itong, of course, favorite ko kasi yung Ryx product. Okay? Meron sila ngayon yung Poreless Maintenance set. So, kung yung face nyo naman is mas particular kayo on how to minimize yung pores sa skin nyo, so this is the suggested set for you. Okay, otherwise you can also have the Ryx glow up set na tinatawag. It actually consists of this Ryx Ultrahydrating Foam Cleanser. Of course, this one you have to use in the morning and in the evening. Okay, nandito siya sa lalagyan na papump mo lang siya tapos yung foam nalabas na siya. I tried na ilipat siya sa dispenser, so it's not advisable kasi pag sa dispenser, hindi siya magpo-foam talaga na as in kahit i-ganon mo siya, hindi siya magpo-foam. Kasi I tried that one with the Ryx rejuvenating facial cleanser. Ang ganda din nun, guys. Try nyo din yun. Okay? Kasi meron silang not necessarily naman na gagamitin nyo lang yung rejuvenating facial cleanser along with the rejuvenating set. Okay, so it's up to you then. Okay, pwede nyo gawing pang maintenance yon with your daily facial wash in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so after nyo naman ng facial foam cleanser, you can use the Ryx deep cleansing water. Okay, this is the same with the toner. Okay, these are my just suggested product, but there's a lot in the market, of course, na yung sa tingin nyo mahihiyang sa inyo. Okay, but for Ryx, this is best for yun nga, for sensitive skin. Okay, so toner, syempre, you have to use this also in the morning and in the evening. And then after nyo mag-toner, of course, you have to use the SkinCincerity sunscreen or sunblock. Anyway, I'm referring to Ryx because this is the product that I've been showing to you. Pero again, there's a lot in the market. So basically, just have to use, of course, to wash your face, to cleanse your face with a facial toner. I mean, with a facial wash, and then after that toner, that's in the morning and in the evening. And then after that, sa morning, advisable yung sunblock, especially if you're going out. But so of course, tatanungin nyo bakit have to use toner even we're not going out since we have to stay at home. Yes, advisable pa rin, I suggest. Okay? Na kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. Kasi syempre, pag nagluluto tayo, mainit siya, best pa rin na protected yung skin natin. Okay, with the sunblock or with the sunscreen. It doesn't mean na sunblock siya or sunscreen is for sun protection lang. Of course, yung heat na nanggagaling sa kalan. Oh, take note that, guys. Okay? And, of course, sa morning, kung sa morning is sunscreen, sa evening naman, you can use Serum. RyxSkincerity Perfecting Serum. Yan, it comes also with this, yung set niya, yung glow set, it also comes with this serum. Pero ito pala guys, mabibili siya individually. Okay? Yung iba, you can use the night cream or collagen cream. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung need ng skin nyo. Okay? And aside from that, with this all maintenance set, additional, is eto, yung RyxSkincerity Beauty Lotion. Maganda to guys, and mabango siya. So, I have started using din ito kasi aside from facial skincare, of course, yung skin din natin sa arm and sa legs, of course, with the lotion. And dun sa mga gustong pumuti, this is the best time din since hindi tayo lalabas, diba? Stay at home tayo, naka-quarantine tayo. So, mas advisable na rin na magamit kayo ng mga whitening lotion. Okay? So, para after this quarantine or lockdown, o diba, magugulat sa inyo yung mga friendship nyo na at least kahit nasa bahay ka lang at lockdown, fresh ka pa rin. O diba? Then, aside from lotion, ito pala guys, mabango to siya. Promise, ang bango niya. And aside from the lotion, you can also take vitamin E for the skin pa rin. And samahan nyo na din ng vitamin C para panlaban ng pang-boost ng immune system. Kailangan natin ngayon yan dahil sa COVID. Okay? And another product of RyxSkincerity is yung Kentaco Bijin. This is actually glutathione, may collagen din siya, and at the same time may vitamin C. When I tried this guys, maganda siya kasi pang hindi mo mapipigilan yung antok mo, talagang madali kang aantokin. So, which is a good sign kasi ibig sabihin, kailangan naman talaga ng katawan natin or ng body natin ng enough sleep, di ba? Kaya, isa yon sa siguro ingredients nitong product na to. Okay? For us to get enough sleep. Kasi hindi naman yung gagamit lang tayo or inom lang tayo ng mga supplement na product. Of course, samahan din natin syempre ng dapat ng effort. Okay? So, again guys, these are just my suggested skincare product for your skincare routine. So, this is just based on my experience and with experience with the same product because I have tried this product guys. So, kaya yun, sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay? So, that's all for today guys, and I hope you all guys stay safe, and thank you for staying with me and watching this video. I hope that I have inspired you somehow, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to do so. I would really appreciate that, and see you on my next video. Bye!